Immigrants are increasingly fearful about how new enforcement priorities will affect them and their families. Making a plan in advance of what to do in the event of an immigration raid can help to calm your worries and ensure that your family is better protected. Here are some suggestions for making a safety plan and preparing your family for a potential immigration arrest or raid. Number 1, safeguard important documents. Organize your essential paperwork and store it in a secure yet accessible location. Tell a friend or family member you trust where these documents are kept. These documents can include passports, marriage certificates, birth certificates, including those of your children, any documents filed with or received from immigration, tax returns, school and medical records, and proof of your time living in the United States. Number 2, give contact information to your family or someone you trust. Make sure your family knows who to contact if you are detained, so that they can locate you and get assistance. If you have established a relationship with an immigration attorney, include his or her phone number. You can also include the phone number of your consulate. Finally, include the phone number of your local ICE Office of Detention and Removal Operations so that family members can locate you if you are detained. The headquarters of that office can be reached at 202-305-2734. Make sure your family members have your full name and date of birth, as well as your alien registration number, if you have one. Number 3, prepare for the care of your family members, including children and older adults. Make sure their documents are in order, including birth certificates and passports. For U.S. citizens, you can obtain a passport both from your home country and the United States. Think about who you would want to take care of your children in the event that you are detained, and talk to that person to make a plan for them to care for your children. Update your children's emergency contact information at school, and consider giving permission to a trusted individual to pick up your child from school in your absence. Number 4, save money to pay for bond and legal fees. There are low-cost, nonprofit immigration attorneys around the country who may be able to help you, but the process can still get expensive. Start saving money now if possible. Number 5, consider signing a power of attorney in order to designate someone to withdraw money from your bank account, pick up your paycheck, and make decisions about your property in the event that you are arrested. Make sure that the person you choose is someone you trust, and make sure that you fully understand the consequences of signing a power of attorney. If you have questions about this process, we recommend speaking with an attorney. Number 6, know your rights. Make sure you and your family know what your rights are if you come into contact with ICE agents. Know that you have the right to remain silent and to not answer the agent's questions. If ICE agents come to your home, you are not required to let them in without a signed warrant. Watch our Know Your Rights video if you want to learn more. Number 7, know what documents to carry with you at all times. Consider carrying a card explaining your right to remain silent that you can use if you don't speak English or forget what to say. Have your important contact information memorized, including the telephone number of a trusted attorney. If you can't memorize it or are worried you will forget it, write it down and carry it with you. You should also consider having proof of living in the United States for more than 2 years in order to avoid expedited removal. This can include bills, a lease, or tax returns. But remember to never carry false documents or documents with fraudulent information. Of course, it is our hope that you will never need to use this information, but it is always better to be prepared. For more information and other videos in this series, please go to www.esperanza.org. esperanza.us. Please understand that this is general information and should not be taken as legal advice. We recommend that you consult with an attorney if you need specific advice in your case. On our website at www.esperanza.us, we have resources for finding low-cost immigration attorneys in your area. Thank you.